Fundrise investment platform honest review watch before using. In this video, we're diving deep into Fundrise, an innovative investment platform that allows you to invest in real estate with as little as $500. Links to the product are in the description below. Fundrise is designed for both novice and seasoned investors who are looking to diversify their portfolios and gain exposure to real estate markets without the hassle of traditional property ownership. One of its standout features is the ability to invest in real estate projects across the United States, ranging from residential developments to commercial properties. The platform uses an e-REIT model, which pools investor money to fund real estate projects, providing a steady stream of potential dividends and appreciation over time. Fundrise is particularly appealing for those seeking passive income, as it handles all property management tasks and keeps you updated with quarterly reports on your investments. The platform also boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and monitor your investments. They offer different investment plans, allowing you to choose one that aligns with your financial goals, be it growth, income, or a balanced approach. Fundrise also emphasizes transparency, providing detailed insights into each investment's performance. However, it's essential to note that, like any investment, there are risks involved, and it may not be suitable for everyone, especially those looking for immediate liquidity, as funds can be tied up for 5 years or more. In conclusion, Fundrise can be a solid option for those interested in real estate investing without the complexities of being a landlord. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us continue providing useful information to others. Thank you for watching.